channel. If you are new here, my name is SheaLee. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you guys are returning, hey you guys, I have missed y'all. It's been a while since I've been behind this camera talking to you all, or even just vlogging in general, and you know, I missed it. As you guys can see by the background, we're in a totally different apartment, so I definitely have a lot to catch you guys up on, but we are in a moving vlog. I want to take you guys along with me getting this apartment together and turning it into a home. I'm not changing much of my decor. What we'll do in this video is the entryway and the porch, and I will show you guys a empty apartment tour. Let's go ahead and jump into that.
So we were able to lock in a 2-bedroom and a den condo. At one point, we were really scrambling, trying to figure out if we were going to move or not. And to be honest, y'all, I wasn't really feeling this property when I first saw the pictures online. Like, they just were not giving. The rooms looked really small. It didn't look like it had any sunlight. So I was like, well, you know, we can try and figure it out. But when we got here, oh my god, I immediately fell in love. The sunlight in this apartment was giving. Like my last apartment, I was really down and out because it was just so dark in there, and I didn't necessarily like that. So when I first walked into this place and I saw the sunlight in here, I was immediately sold.
Okay y'all, so we about to go downstairs and start the project for the egg chairs and the porch. I'm about to show y'all what I got from TJ Maxx and HomeGoods because I forgot to show y'all. I forgot I even had it. It was in the back of my trunk for weeks. After that, we'll start the entryway. I was going to do the entryway first, but I was like, let me just go and get this porch together since it's already like late in the afternoon and it's getting hot outside, so I don't want to be too hot doing this. So we just got this Hello mat. I got this from Walmart. This was only $13, so that was cute. And then this table I got from HomeGoods. It's a cute little black table. This cute little greenery wreath. I got another rug to go with the Hello mat, and it's a new rug. And then this is just some white linen curtains for the living room, I think. So the rug that's for the porch is upstairs in the Amazon box because I bought that separately. So we're about to go ahead and get started. Y'all see how dirty these egg chairs are, so we're about to see if we can get them like clean. So y'all, these chairs were extremely dirty and I did not expect him to be that dirty. I guess I should have, being that we hadn't used them in like a year, but I was super excited to use the upholstery cleaner that I got from Amazon. You know, I had saw so many good reviews and it was like inexpensive, so I was extremely excited. However, I have mixed feelings about it. When I used it on my couch, it seemed pretty fine, but I don't know, it could just be the cushion chairs, the chair cushions, the texture of them and just the way that they are made, or it could be the upholstery, but I wasn't too thrilled about that upholstery cleaner. Y'all, I'm burning up. Now I'm about to sweep, get all this debris, and then we'll lay down the decor. Hey y'all, I need to catch you guys up because the last thing that you guys saw was me putting the porch together, and to be honest with y'all, that was like a couple weeks ago. The sun that day, the sunlight literally had just took me out, y'all. Like, it really just took me out. I came upstairs to take a break, which ended up taking a nap, and you know, it was history from there. So we're about a couple weeks after that. Then I came down with a little cold, so I'm still like getting over that. So if I sound a little stuffy, that's why. But we are about to finally go ahead and do this entryway. Once I'm done with everything, I'll give you guys an overview. Stay tuned. I'm about to go and get the stuff to hang this mirror, and then we'll just take it from there.
Seconds in
guys, I did everything that I could do by myself. The last thing that I have to do is, sorry y'all, I'm hot. The last thing I have to do is put up the mirror. So I'm gonna wait till my wife get home for that. And then when we're done with that, we can go ahead and put the rest of the decor together. I sound so stuffy, ew, ilk, ilk, ilk. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, take a break. She should be home in the next 20 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and get that up, and then we can continue on. That'll be the end, and I can show you guys the end results. I can't wait because the porch came out really well, so I can't wait to show you guys that, and then I can't wait to show you what the entry is looking like so far. So
checking with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space. But I need it, baby, I'm late.
okay guys, we have finished the entryway. It is really cute and quaint. It came out really well. Not too much going on for such a small entryway, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, and then if I haven't already, I will go ahead and show you the porch. So let's go ahead and get started really quick and show you guys what we got going on. Okay, so when you come in through the door, you just step right here inside, and then we just have our entryway table. Down there I have the basket for the dog leashes, and then it's just a little poof. We have these vases and just a little accent piece. I'll link it at the top of the screen for where you could pick these up. This came from HomeGoods, and these came from At Home. I'm pretty sure this came from TJ Maxx. This, I don't know where I got this from, but I've had it for a very long time, so I just repurposed it. And then I just got this lamp, was a cute find from TJ Maxx. The mirror came from HomeGoods. Oh, and then the console table came from Amazon. I can link that below as well. The poof came from TJ Maxx. Real old though. And then next we just have the two baskets that I just put there for our shoes in the corner. And we just have this closet that kind of has, you know, just, you know, everyday house stuff in there. Not too much going on. And then we just have like the wicker iron basket. Overall view, really small, cute, not too much going on entryway. So I'm loving it. You guys can tell me what you think of it down below in the comments.